Hey everyone, welcome back to Anglicity, the channel where we don't just learn English, we grow with it. Today, I want to take you on a deep journey, not just to improve your English, but to help you understand something far more powerful. Single. Why should we even learn English? What makes it so important, so impactful, and so life-changing? You see, when we know why we're learning something, it changes the way we approach it. It becomes more personal, more emotional, more real, and when the why is strong, the how becomes effortless. So today, we're diving into 5 deep, practical, and powerful reasons why learning Lutely transform your life, from your career to your confidence, your mindset to your relationships. Let's begin. Reason 1. English is the language of global opportunity. Let's face it, we are living in the digital age. Everything is connected. Everyone is online, whether you're a student, a job seeker, a freelancer, a business owner, or just someone who wants to stay updated with the world. English is the language that opens the doors. Think about it. Most international companies use English as their official language. The best job postings and interviews often require you to speak and write in English. Freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer operate in English. Top universities abroad, they need English proficiency. Even YouTube, social media, and online communities are mostly in English. In short, English gives you access to global opportunities. No matter where you come from, the moment you can speak and write in English, you are not limited to your city or your country anymore. You're part of a global marketplace. And that changes the game. You can work remotely, you can get international clients, you can apply for foreign scholarships, you can sell your services globally, you can grow beyond borders. That's not just about language, that's about unlocking your future. Reason 2. English builds unshakable confidence. Now let's talk about something even more important than success. Self-belief. I know this might sound familiar. You know a little bit of English, but when someone asks you to speak, your hands get sweaty. Your mind goes blank. You start thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh? But here's the truth. Every time you speak English, even one sentence, you are breaking a fear. You are proving to yourself, I can do this. And the more you practice, the more your confidence grows. You become less afraid of mistakes, you become more comfortable in your skin, you stop hiding, and start expressing. And this confidence doesn't stay in the classroom. It follows you everywhere. In job interviews, in client meetings, in group discussions, in dating, in daily conversations. The better you get at English, the more you believe in your ability to express yourself. And when you can express yourself clearly, you walk into any room with your head held high. That is not just a skill. That is a mental shift. Reason 3. English gives you access to global knowledge. Let me ask you a simple question. What's the most powerful resource in today's world? It's not money. It's not fame. It's information. And guess what? More than 80% of the world's most valuable information in books, websites, research papers, courses, podcasts, YouTube videos is in English. Let me give you examples. Want to learn digital marketing? The best courses are in English. Want to understand personal finance? English. Want to master coding, AI, or tech? English. Want to grow on YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn? English. Even the latest innovations, business ideas, and scientific breakthroughs are first released in English. So when you learn English, you're not just learning a language. You're getting access to the world's best knowledge. You can study for free using global platforms like Coursera, edX, Khan Academy, YouTube, podcasts, blogs, Reddit, LinkedIn Learning. You don't have to depend on translated material. You don't have to wait for someone to teach you. You become a self-learner, a self-starter, someone who is always growing. Knowledge is power, and English gives you the key to that power. Reason 4. English creates global human connections. One of the most beautiful reasons to learn English is this. It connects you with people all over the world. There are over 1.5 billion people who speak English. That's 1.5 billion chances to make new friends, build relationships, network with professionals, collaborate on ideas, and grow together. When you know English, you can join international Facebook groups, comment on global YouTube channels, Collaborate with people from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, South Africa, India, and beyond. Attend global Zoom meetings, webinars, and seminars. Make friends through language exchange platforms. Travel to other countries and interact confidently. It removes the fear of being left out, and it builds connection, understanding, and respect between cultures. You don't feel like a stranger anymore. You feel like a citizen of the world. Reason 5. English helps you rewrite your life story. This is the deepest reason of all. And maybe, just maybe, it's the one you need to hear today. Learning English is not just about grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation. It's about changing your story. It's about transforming your identity. Because let's be honest, maybe you were told English is only for the rich. Maybe you were laughed at for your accent. Maybe you believe you're too old, too shy, too poor, or too late. But every time you say hello, every time you learn a new word, every time you speak one sentence, you're rewriting your story from I can't, I'm trying. From I'm not smart enough, I'm improving every day. From English is not for people like me. English is helping me become the best version of me. You see, English isn't the goal. Transformation is the goal. And English is the tool that helps you break generational limits, that helps you believe, grow, and dream again. And when you rewrite your story, you become an inspiration for everyone around you. Your parents, your siblings, your community. You become proof that's the real power of possible. That's the real power of final thoughts. English is not just a language. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Let's quickly summarize the 5 life-changing reasons. 1. It gives you access to global opportunities. 2. It helps you build unshakable confidence. 3. It unlocks unlimited knowledge. 4. It connects you to the world. 5. It transforms your identity and future. So my question to you today is, what's your reason for learning English? Maybe it's your dream job. Maybe it's confidence. Maybe it's traveling the world. Maybe it's making your parents proud. Whatever it is, write it down. Say it out loud. Let it drive you forward, even on tough days. Because the journey might not always be easy, but I promise you, it will be worth it. Thank you for spending time with me today. If this video gave you clarity, inspiration, or energy, share it with someone who's learning English too. Let's grow together. Let's rise together. And don't forget to comment below. I'm learning English to change my life. This is Inglicity. And here, we don't just learn words, we create a better world.